I'm so excited that you're joining me for our Tower and a Table to Tummy Cooking series. Today, I just finished harvesting some arugula. Can you say arugula? Arugula. Arugula is one of my favorite vegetables. It's filled with vitamins and minerals. Wow, is it spicy? It's so delicioso. You can cook it and eat it by itself, put it in a salad. It's so versatile. I'm so excited to take this arugula and bring it to the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse and see what we're going to make today. I'm so excited to give this arugula to the magic hands of Mr. Chef Jesse. Wow, I see watermelon. If I didn't know better, I think today we're making the green Bronx Machine mouth-watering watermelon arugula salad. Try saying that 5 times fast. OMG! So looking around the table, I see some watermelon. I also see 3 empty plates. That means this recipe has a total of 5 parts. I guess we'll need 2 parts of watermelon. And what will some of the other parts be? I bet the first thing we'll need is some arugula. Mr. Chef Jesse, show us how to chop some arugula. Wow, it's just that easy. Now students, remember at home, if you're cooking food for friends and family, always wash your hands, and it also is useful to wear some gloves. So now I see 2/5 watermelon, 2/5 arugula, and the last 1/5 is going to be a special ingredient. What is that ingredient? It looks like it's feta cheese. For this recipe, I know we can cut the cheese, but rather than cut the cheese, we can crumble it with our hands instead. Crumble, 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 crumble. Slice. Crumble, 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 crumble. One more cut. Crumble, 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 crumble. I always like when students crumble cheese in class instead of cut the cheese in class. I see that we did have some watermelon already prepared. But Mr. Chef Jesse and your magic hands, can you teach children how to scoop watermelon with using a spoon? Scooping watermelon is one of my favorite ways to make sure you get a big juicy bite without taking any of your fingertips off. And it's fun to do with our little siblings and family members. Thank you, Mr. Chef Jesse. It looks like we're almost ready to assemble the salad. Oh, it's gonna go in that big bowl. Wow, so 1/5 of the watermelon, then 1/5 of the arugula, 3/5, 4/5, we're almost there, 5/5, put the crumbled feta in. Ooh, I see there's a lime on the side. I love how you are using the bear claw to slice that lime. And what will we do with that lime? Juice! A little juice to add some citrusy flavor. And you can just squeeze the juice right onto the arugula salad. Oh my, look at that. And then I believe it's time to toss the salad. Look at that gentle rotation from the bottom to the top, flipping the salad so that all the ingredients are mixed equally. Smells delicious. Today we learned that you can make the amazing mouth-watering watermelon arugula salad using 2/5 watermelon, 2/5 arugula, and 1/5 crumbled feta cheese. I can't wait for you to make this recipe at home, and I'll see you next week for our next episode of Tower to Table to Tummy Cooking. Thanks for the hands, Mr. Chef Jesse. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.